looking today at the last R principle. So that's our unit 9. Now it's the same rule as we had with our PL. So if we just go back on that, remember when we had a vowel between the P and the L? So we wrote PL for pale and pill, but then when the PL is together, we can do the PL blend, which is just a pull. So that becomes our please. Or we can have things like pleasure. Oops, that's a regular one. Pleasure. So if there's a vowel in between, we write it out in full. We do the same thing with our R principle. If there's a vowel in between, a B and an R, a G and an R, and a C and an R, we write the R. But if it becomes a brr, cur, grr, or purr, we don't write the R. Okay, and it can be in the middle of a word or at the start of a word. So the B just is ordinary. So if we were right, if there's a vowel, so can you tell me what you think that would be? Brought, yes. So any vowel in between, or I was thinking of board, but that's okay. This one, it's a G. GR. GRM. No, gram. Gram would be a grm. Germ. Well done. All right, a vowel in between. Germ. Okay, what about this one?
Cart.
Cart. Yes, I was thinking of court. C-O-U-R-T. Could be C-O-U-G-H-T as well. Okay. What about this one? He was going to show off. He's going to say certificate.
Certificate.
I was looking for words, so we sort of popped that one up there. Okay, so that's if there's a vowel in between, then you write the G and the R, the B and the R, the C and the R, and the P and the R. Otherwise, it becomes a brr. What does that say?
Brr.
Brr what?
Just that. Brr.
Oh, bride, yes, bread. I was thinking of bread. I usually think of food. All right. You don't. All right, the sense of the sentence will help, but I'll show you here a little bit later on how they... So it's just a brr and a T or a brr and a D.
Why is it different to normal? Why won't you destroy it? Why do you have it?
Because you're indicating that it's a brr. All right, not just a B. Okay? So this could be brr D, bread. So instead of writing B-R-D, all right, we take out the R and just put the D through the B so we know it's a brr, not a B. All right, what about this one? Grain. All right, well done. Grr. If you want to put the little vowel on to show what the vowel is, you can. You don't have to, but you can. Okay, so there's our grain. What about this one? Crime or cream. Crime, I'd probably go that way. That's not a very good E, but I thought it was an E. All right. Cream, crime. Okay.
So
now
the big C is CR?
it's just an ordinary C. It's not a big C. It's just an ordinary C. All right. So now you've got your ordinary C, your CM, and your CN, and then you've just got your ordinary C, which becomes a crr, depending on what you put through it.
You have to put through it.
It does have to be intercepted or look like it's part of the word, okay, to become that crr sound. Otherwise, it'll just be C. Okay, so this one, provide. Okay, if I did this, it would be provided. Okay, what about this one?
Protect.
Protect. Well done. Protect. We can do a D. We've got protected. Now, it doesn't have to be at the beginning. We can have a CN blend followed by a CR. What do you think that says? Concrete. Well done. If I do this, what does it become? Concrete. Right? Concrete. Is there such a word? Oh, no, it says concrete. No, probably not. I'm concreting today. No, I don't think that's a word. Right. Okay. Now, is there? Now, if you want to show, you said up here with the T and D, how do you show whether it's a T or a D? Then if it's a D, you put it at the end. So that would be grade, G-R-D, but this would be great, G-R-T.
What about grid? Does grid work as well?
Grid would be the same, yep, yep, grid would be the same. Okay, so here we've got a B-R-D, so that would be what? No, because bird would be B-R-D.
Vowel in between.
Bread.
Broad, yes, and this could be
Brat.
brat or bright. Well done. This could be pretty, and this could be
Pretty?
right.
No.
Pride.
Parody?
No, it's not.
No.
Pride.
Proudly.
Pride.
Proudly, all right, or
Ah.
proudly, yeah.
Oh.
Okay.